Python 3 by Willy. And my idea is inspired by the classic 1970s game Pawn, and what is designed to a simple two-player game, and the player move the white block to bounce the ball back, and when it goes, the ball return to the opponent's side, and there's a time limit, and the one who got the more score wins. Yeah. Pawn is a simple and simple game. And everyone can understand the rules. Um, what did I learn and used? Uh, my first concept is right. To import an image to make the game more attractive, and the second one is key press to detect the key events to control the block's movement. So you can make sure the white block is moving. And code examples, um, yeah, just these. My favorite part is the detect of the bounce angle, so can make it more fun, so it won't only bounce one way back. Yeah, and this project's something to improve. If I can, I would like to add like score system, skin system, and make more difficulty so the player can have more uh things to choose. Yeah, and thank you everyone.